Hello, I'm Simon from CareCo and I'm going to show you how to assemble the Blenheim Rise and Recliner chair. Although I'm going to assemble this on my own, we would advise that you have somebody to help you assemble the chair due to the weight of some of the components. As you can see, I've taken the Blenheim out of its packaging and I've laid all the parts in front of me. We have the main body of the chair, its backrest and the winglets that go on the sides. We have its handset and transformer. Let's take a look at how we place all these components together to assemble the Blenheim chair. With the chair in position with plenty of room around it, I've taken the backrest and I'm going to place it on top of the chair. This enables me now to lift the backrest and locate it into position in the side parts here. So we just simply grab hold of the backrest, align it on one side into the bracket and then do the same on the other. And once it's in position, with a firm push, we just place it into position as so. You'll have heard that audible click, and with a quick shake, you can tell that it's now firmly in position. With the backrest fitted into position, we can now fit the side wings onto the backrest. Starting with the right hand side, we ensure that the flat section of the wing is towards the back and the curved section, as you see here, is towards the front. This bracket here fits into a reciprocating part or a bracket on the backrest itself. And to put together, simply press into position and push down firmly. And we'll repeat on the other side. Again, note the flat section towards the back, curved section towards the front. Align the brackets and just push into position. So the backrest is now complete, and we can now move on to fitting the handset and the transformer. We connect the handset to a cable inside the right hand side pocket. Just a quick note that if you're missing the handset, you may find that it's been installed inside the pocket itself. So as mentioned, in here we have a cable and it has a locking mechanism which we need to release, and that then shows the socket that we're going to plug the handset into. So the handset simply plugs in and then we reconnect this section here, which secures the handset and stops it from coming apart when you're using the chair. We can place this part back in the pocket, and then the hook and the handset we can utilise on the pocket itself. With all the components of the chair together, we can now finally place the transformer to power the chair. This comprises of two components: the mains lead, which plugs into the rear of the transformer, and we then connect the transformer itself to a wire at the rear of the chair. This wire is located inside the chair and, as you can see, comprises of two prongs. Similarly to the actual handset, there is a locking mechanism that we release, place the connection together and lock into position. And we can now plug this into the wall socket, and then we can test the chair and ensure that none of the cables are going to get snagged. With the chair fully assembled and plugged into the wall socket, I'm just going to check to ensure that none of the wires are going to snag or get caught on anything within the chair. To do this, I'm going to press the top left button on the handset and raise the chair to its highest position, as you can see now. I'm just going to stop and have a quick look. I'm looking behind the cover and ensuring none of the wires are getting caught. It's also important to double check that where you've plugged the transformer in, that the wire is located at the base of the frame and not coming through the chair part, which raises up, which would then cause the transformer to pull out from the wall socket. So in my case, this is all good. And with the chair fully raised, I can see that all the wires are secure, and nothing has got caught. I can now bring the chair back down and then finally fit the material at the back of the backrest on the chair to neaten it up. So with the chair back down in its lowest position, I just take this piece of material, place the Velcro on the back, and the chair is now ready to be used.